In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save and export images in GIMP, a powerful and free image editing software that's popular among both beginners and professionals. Understanding how to properly save and export your work in GIMP is essential for preserving your project for future edits or sharing your finished piece with others. So let's dive right in and explore this basic yet fundamental aspect of using GIMP. First, let's talk about saving your project as a GIMP file. This step is essential if you plan to revisit your work for any further editing. Head over to the top menu and click on File. From the drop-down options, select Save. This action will save your project in GIMP's native format, which has a .xcf file extension. The XCF files retain layers, paths, and all other elements related to your project, allowing you to pick up right where you left off without any loss of data or quality. Once you've done that, you're free to close GIMP and return later, knowing your project is safely stored. Now, if you're ready to share your image or use it on the web, you'll want to export it into a more universally compatible format. Once again, start by clicking on File in the top menu, but this time select Export As from the drop-down. This option opens up the possibilities for saving your work in various file formats that suit your specific needs. When you choose Export As, a new window will pop up, offering you several format options. The right choice here depends on where you intend to use your image. If you need a lossless format that supports transparency, opt for PNG. JPEG is a great option for photographs and images where file size is more critical than retaining background transparency. For simple graphics or animations, GIF might be the format you need. Make this choice based on your goals, whether it's maintaining high quality or ensuring the image loads quickly online. Once you've settled on a format, you'll be presented with some additional options to adjust the quality settings. For JPEGs, choosing a higher quality percentage ensures better image clarity, but remember this will increase the file size. For PNGs, you may adjust compression levels, often with little to no detrimental effect on image quality. After you've fine-tuned these settings to your liking, simply hit Export. This action saves your file in the chosen format, ready to be used wherever you need it. And there you have it. A straightforward guide to saving and exporting your images in GIMP. Whether preserving an ongoing project or preparing a finished work for publication, these steps will ensure your images are stored and shared effectively. As you get more familiar with the process, you'll find it becomes an intuitive part of your workflow, enhancing your overall editing experience in GIMP. Happy editing!